Okay, hello everyone. This is our practice video for the week. Our song this week is Hot Cross Buns. It goes like this. Hot cross buns, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. When you play it, it sounds like this. At the end of the lesson, we'll also play it with the piano, so that's going to sound like this. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to review the 3 notes that are in the song. Okay, so the first note we know is B. Then to play the A, you add your middle finger over that second hole. And then the note we learned most recently is G. So you take your 4th, we also call that our ring finger, and you put it over the 3rd hole, okay? Now this is a hard note, so you want to make sure that you're holding the bottom with your right hand for balance. And if you have trouble with the G when you first learn it, don't get frustrated. It really is hard to totally cover up that hole, okay? This is a weak finger. We don't use it for a lot of things. Once you've practiced it a little bit, it'll be a lot easier and feel more comfortable. Okay, so those are our 3 notes, B, A, G. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to look at our music. Okay, so Hot Cross Buns is on page 3 of your recorder packet. Now, when we learned duet for piano and recorder number 1, I had already written B and A above the notes. This one does not have letter names, so you're going to have to figure out how to read these on the staff on your own, okay? And you're welcome to take a pen or pencil and write it. So we're going to do that right now. Okay, so last time we had music, we learned that there are line notes and there are space notes. Okay, so if a note is a line note, a line goes through the middle of it. Like right now, a line's going through the middle of my head. If a note is a space note, it's stuck in the space. Like right now, my head is a space note. So 3 notes, B, A, and G. Only one of these is a space note. So if you guys look up here, which one is the space note? Okay, so A is a space note, okay? So any note that is in a space, you know it's A, because A is the only space note in this song. So let's go through here and just find all the space notes and write an A above them. Okay? So here, we'll do that together. So look at, this is line. That's a space note, so we know that's an A. That's a line note. That looks like a line note. This is a space note, so we know it's an A. There's a line note. Line, 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 up, space, 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 space. We have 4 A's in a row. Okay, let's look at the last measure. Line, space, line. Okay, now B and G are both line notes. So you need to figure out which one is the B and which one is the G. Okay, so when we count the lines, you're counting from the bottom, like line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. G is on line 2 and B is on line 3. So with the remaining line notes, you need to look at them, figure out which line they're on. If it's on the 2nd line, it's a G. If it's on the 3rd line, it's a B. So let's look at this. Okay, is it the 3rd line or the 2nd line? Okay, if you said 3rd line, you're right. So you're going to put a B above that. Okay, so I want you guys to do that on your own with the rest of it, and then we're going to go over the answers. Okay, so what you should have come up with is B, A, G, G, A, B, A, G. Okay, so that's how we're reading the letter names. Now we also need to read the rhythm. So we already know that the quarter note gets one beat. This type of note is a half note, okay? So it looks like a quarter note, but it's not colored in. That note gets 2 beats. Okay, then we come to these notes. These are eighth notes. Each eighth note gets half of a beat. So that means eighth notes are faster. You might remember in last year, we learned to count them like T, 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 T. That's what those are, okay? So before we play the notes, we're just gonna clap the rhythm. And this is easy as if we say the words. So let's try that together. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. We'll do that again. 1, 2, ready, go. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Okay, now we play it. So we'll do it one little piece at a time. I'll play, you play back. First part, B-A-G, my turn. Your turn. My turn. Your turn. Now we're going to play G, 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 G. A, 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 A. B, A, G. Let's do that again. Here we go. My turn first. Keep it on the G. Don't pick anything up. Go to A. All right, and you might have heard that I accidentally picked up this finger a little bit and some air leaked out, okay? So even I do that sometimes. Okay, let's try the whole thing. Play along with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. This time I'll just sing it and you play. 1, 2, ready, go. B-A-G, B-A-G, G, 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 A, B-A-G. Let's do that again. 1, 2, ready, go. B-A-G, B-A-G, G, 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 A, B, A-G. Okay, now a lot of people have trouble when they get to the 8th notes, making the notes kind of short and bouncy, okay? So, like for example, if you're having trouble with that, what you want to do is you make the notes short by putting your tongue over the sound hole when you're playing, okay? So most people kind of intuitively do this without really thinking about it, but if you're having trouble, work on that, okay? So when you want to stop the sound, you put your tongue over the opening. Let's just try that try it on B, okay? So listen and then play back. Your turn. Okay. So we are going to make this version a little fancier. We're gonna add a piano accompaniment, and we're also gonna make it a little bit longer. So everyone take your music, and we are gonna put a repeat sign on the end, okay? So at the end of at the end of a song, there's always 2 lines, okay? So all we need to do is add the 2 dots. So look at the 3rd line, and you're gonna put a dot above it and a dot below it, and now we have a repeat sign. So we're going to go back to the beginning and repeat it again, okay? So we're going to do this with the piano, and I'll sing the notes along. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. B, A, G, B, A, G, 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 A, 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 B, A, G, B, A, G, B, A, G, 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 A, 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 B, A, G. Okay, did you remember the repeat sign? Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, go. B, A, G, B, A, G, 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 A, 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 B, A, G. Repeat. B, A, G, B, A, G, 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 A, 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 B, A, G. Okay, this time I'm not going to sing. Okay, you're on your own. 1, 2, ready, go. Repeat. Let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, go. We'll do it one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. I hope that helped you to learn that song. Practice during the week, and we'll play that together in class next week. Bye, everybody.